Hello, Christine Beyer here, licensed esthetician for 18 years, and today I was going to do something a little bit different. I've been thinking about this for a long time. I have a little bit of sort of a male pattern receding hairline. I mean, I don't have it up here, and I actually have a lot of hair, but I just don't like this, and it's making me crazy. So I was going to give my QueenSkin Pro. This is a very powerful microneedling machine from Korea that I bought from AO Medical. And I've had it a few months and I really like it. I've been using it on clients and I noticed less downtime and a better overall treatment. And so because of this whole male pattern baldness, I was like, or not baldness, male pattern, this receding hairline, whatever. I know a lot of women that have it too, but I am not feeling that. And since I turn 50 next month, I'm just over it. And so today I will be doing this. They have really interesting little cartridges. They're very cool. You can see they have 11 needles, if you can see that, in this little chamber and this little plug here. You can fill the chamber full of whatever liquid you want. And so for that, I'm going to be filling it full of hair thickening serum, and I love this. It's great. You can use it a couple different ways. You can use it nightly on your scalp, and what I would do is put a little bit of water first and then put a few drops and really rub that in. And if you have a spoolie, I don't know, like a spoolie like for your eyebrows, it would be good to rub that back and forth, sort of really work that in and wake up those hair follicles with this. But if you have a Dermaroller or microneedling pen, this is way better. You're getting the growth serum in there. Okay, so I think I'm going to do this on fast forward because it could get a little lengthy. All right, stay tuned. So I'm just prepping really quick for my microneedling session. I decided not to numb my face because it's going to be very superficial at 0.5 millimeters deep. And here I am filling my QueenSkin Pro with the NeoGenesis Hair Thickening Serum, so that will penetrate as I work. And when I first started, I got blood points immediately, so I knew I was way too deep, and so I adjusted my machine and I'm working. But it was still quite painful. Maybe next time I will numb. And just finishing off with some more hair thickening serum. Okay, I'm back. I'm done with that. I didn't use any numbing cream because I wanted the serum to really get in there. And note to self, ow! As you can see, I really got that well. I think this ended up being, if you can see this, here. Damn, that's really hard to see, isn't it? Anyway, it's probably 0.5 millimeters, 0.75. It's long enough and it hurt, but I'm thinking that that is enough to get me going. I did just all the way up here and down and all the way up here and down. And I'm gonna do another treatment next week. I think I'm gonna do one per week for 4 weeks and see how this ends up looking. I am really ready to have hair grow back there again. So stay tuned. Well, you will see me in the afters over the next couple months, but this can take some time, so. But I will keep you updated. Thanks for watching.